Hey everybody, David the AI Guide here for episode 14. And we're going to finish up transportation today. We already talked about trucks at first, autonomous trucks, and then autonomous cars. Now we're going to talk about what they call last mile autonomy. So what is the last mile? We're talking about package delivery from a local depot to your doorstep. This covers a lot of ground. It covers huge companies. You've got UPS, FedEx, you've got Amazon, who has a lot of their own delivery service now. And there's probably 10 different companies actively working in this space. So this is a very, very busy space. Autonomy comes in because a lot of these are delivery robots. And there's a couple of companies that have been delivering food on college campuses, and a different one that's been delivering food around a large corporate campus into it in California. So there are a lot of companies working on robots that have AI that will do this last bit of package delivery. And to give you an idea about the scale of this, UPS alone has almost 400,000 employees, if you can believe that. I was shocked when I heard that. And FedEx is very, very big too. And then think about Amazon. Amazon has over 500,000 employees. So these are huge companies along with startups working on these technologies to deliver these packages to your home. And a lot of these are local delivery robots that are vehicles that will deliver at your doorstep. And then separately, there's drone technology. Drone technology is being driven principally by China. The biggest drone company is in China, and the Chinese are really making tremendous progress in some of this last mile technology, both in robotics and in drone technology. And it's really because home delivery of stuff in China is way ahead of the States. For example, with food delivery, probably 10 times, literally, the amount of food deliveries are done every day in China versus the United States. Now, that's a function of population, obviously, but China's population is about 5 times the size of the United States, not 10. So it's not just population driven. This is actually China leading the US in these technological areas. But a lot of these big companies like UPS, FedEx have either partnered with companies to develop their last mile delivery robots, or they have bought the companies and brought that capability in-house. So this is going to be a very vigorous area. All of this stuff, the first one of these delivery robots started delivering commercially in 2017, so 3 years ago. Little over 3 years ago, January of 2017. So this is all new, but it's evolving very, very quickly. And within a few years, you will see this. Why? Because these robots can already deliver packages in rain, snow, climb steps, do all the things that you would think would be obstacles to having a robot deliver your package to your doorstep. Those have all been solved. It's now just in testing and rolling out the commercialization. So this is going to be a huge employment disruptor. And this is one of the reasons why I'm doing these videos. I want to let you know that something is coming in an area like this. So for you kids in high school and college, when you think about what you want to do after you finish school, you want to do something that isn't going to be heavily impacted by AI. And this kind of last mile delivery, local delivery, is going to be wholly driven by AI in 10 years. So just consider that. There's so many options of great work to do that setting one aside is not a big deal. And throughout history, way more jobs are created in every technological revolution than the ones that are lost. So you guys are going to be okay. Just be aware and learn. Talk to you next time when we'll start a new industry segment. Take care.